Morning, Bryan Middle High School. Time is running out for you to grab your tickets for this weekend's premiere of Puffs. The School of Magic is ready. Dragons, spells, battle scenes, screaming eggs, giant snakes, and spiders. You name it, the play has it. Come to see your fellow students get to die on stage. Rumor has it, one character is played by a mop. Come and find out for yourself. Tickets are only $8 and are available at the Bryan High School office or the Bryan Public Library. Don't miss out.
Come support the Super Bowl before the fall play. All proceeds benefit the sanctuary here in Bryan. For $10, you can get your own bowl of soup and keep the bowl. The Super Bowl runs from 4 until 6:30.
Hey seniors, if you want a headshot, come to the VCT room on Saturday morning anytime from 8:30 to noon. No appointment needed. A headshot is a great tool to have for a resume, awards, and yearbook, and so much more.
6th grade girls planning to play this winter are reminded to get their basketball registration turned in as soon as possible. If needed another registration, see Mr. Grosjean.
Make it a great day.
Or not, the choice is yours.